Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore 33 incredible keyboard shortcuts in Excel that will skyrocket your productivity. So, grab your keyboards and let's dive right in. Our first shortcut is Ctrl+C, which allows you to copy selected cells effortlessly. Remember, Ctrl+X enables you to cut selected cells, and Ctrl+V pastes your copied or cut cells right where you need them. Don't worry if you make a mistake. Just hit Ctrl+Z to undo your last action, and if you need to redo it, Ctrl+Y has got your back. Need to select all cells in the worksheet? Ctrl+A is your go-to shortcut. And if you want to emphasize certain text, try Ctrl+B for bold, Ctrl+I for italic, or Ctrl+U for underline formatting. Finding specific data is a breeze with Ctrl+F. The Excel's Find dialog box will help you locate what you need in no time. And if you want to replace certain values, Ctrl+H opens the Replace dialog box for you. Remember to save your hard work by pressing Ctrl+S, and when you're ready to print, hit Ctrl+P to get your work on paper. Starting a new workbook is as simple as Ctrl+N, while Ctrl+O opens an existing workbook for you. And when you're done with your current workbook, Ctrl+W will close it neatly. Need more screen space? Ctrl+F1 lets you expand or collapse the ribbon, giving you more room to work with. And if you have multiple workbooks open, Ctrl+Tab allows you to switch between them effortlessly. Want to organize your data quickly? Ctrl+Shift+L turns filter arrows on or off, making data filtering a breeze. And if you want to format cells, Ctrl+Shift+F opens the Format Cells dialog box. Inserting a page break is a cinch with Ctrl+Shift+P, and if you're to enter the current time, just press Ctrl+Shift+semicolon, winky face, and for the current date, it's Ctrl+Shift+ double quotation mark. Formatting borders becomes a breeze with Ctrl+Shift+ampersand, and if you want to remove borders, it's Ctrl+Shift+___. To select the current region around the active cell, use Ctrl+Shift+***, and to select a range of cells, combine Ctrl+Shift with the arrow keys. Need to navigate quickly? Ctrl+arrow keys allow you to move to the edge of a data range, and Ctrl+Home takes you to the beginning of the worksheet. On the other hand, Ctrl+N brings you to the last cell of the worksheet. Switching between worksheets is a piece of cake with Ctrl+Page up and Ctrl+Page down. And when it comes to calculations, Alt+= lets you use the AutoSum function on selected cells effortlessly.